Ooh, lights. Probably need lights. Rookie. Just got here to the Fairfield Inn. Pick up my partner in crime, Mark, father-in-law. Here he goes right now. Come on, baby. Get him.
Freaking shallow. I can't believe it.
Get him.
Can't believe it.
Get him. Oh. Yes. Oh,
that's what it's all about.
Freaking toad. That's a toad. Look at that. Put that on there.
Oh my God.
Oh.
Wow. They're shallow.
Oh, that a kid.
Let me get a picture real quick.
Right there. Got it there?
Yeah.
Hey YouTube, welcome to my new channel, Outdoor Outlaws Texas style. We're here in Central Texas, the San Antonio, Austin area, and you're gonna get to see some evolution hopefully over the years. You see an evolution of a better outdoorsman, a better bass fisherman. Especially bass fishing is my passion. I'll do all sorts of other types of fishing as well, but bass fishing is definitely my passion. Good to see my right hand man, my little guy. Brad, he's getting ready to turn 7. He's my road dog, and then you'll see a lot of footage of a lot of the people that are important to me in my life and the people who've introduced me to the outdoors, especially my father. You'll get to see my little nephew, and you'll see my father-in-law and all the crazy cards that go along with our outdoor adventures here in Central Texas. Stay tuned. Look for that evolution. Look for better gear. Look for gear reviews. Look for mystery tackle box unboxings. I've chosen them over their competitor for various reasons, and you'll tend to find out why over the years. Look for kayak reviews. I'm in the market for a bass boat. I'm going to get me a bass boat soon, so look for that adventure as well. And just stay tuned for this evolution of a Central Texas outdoorsman. And go ahead and subscribe. You know the drill. Subscribe, hit that like button, and drop some comments below, and join me on this ride. Thanks a lot. We'll see you soon, YouTube.